the finish line. This is the transition area. You know triathlons, you like the terminology, for the beer drinking.
Okay.
So you can put your beers like over here, and then when you run around, like you say you're coming in, you can stop here, grab your beer, and then you can like walk while you're drinking, and then when you get to here, just toss it, go, you know, whatever. Okay. But then after the 4th lap, it finishes here. Don't stop at the blue triangle. It's like, am I done? Like, did I win? All the way.
You got to drink on the 4th lap. You got to drink your 4th beer.
You drink before you run every time.
Yeah.
So you're gonna drink one, then we're gonna take off.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you guys are gonna drink right now?
Yes. Oh, you can't open it until we start.
Oh, they're even cold too. You got the warm ones.
They'll be warm in a couple minutes.
So whoever finishes their first beer first starts running. Is that how you guys are gonna do it?
Should we like smoke a cigarette first too?
Or are you guys all going to start together?
Add donuts to it.
And is it true if you have to drink another beer and run a little bit of that?
I just heard you have to drink. You have to run another lap.
Serious?
Yeah. After you're all done, you have to run a 5th lap.
If you puke?
Yeah. I didn't want to put it in the event description because then people would be like, "What? There's puking involved?" Everyone got your beer? Rob, you just need one right now.
No, I'm trying to warm him up.
He's gonna be
cold. I don't like drinking cold things. I don't drink cold water.
I don't like drinking beer at all.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh. I just feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Oh my god, please don't. Oh boy.
That was a 70-second lap.
70-second lap? Holy shit.
I don't want to do this 3 more times.
Oh jeez. Oh my god.
I think the trick is running slow. And you can drink. You stop. You gotta catch your breath. Can't even take a drink. Cheers. I'm never gonna drink this again. Why lime? Fuck, how the fuck are you finishing this so quick? Bud Light! Cheated, that's why.
Oh, I got Bud Light.
Should have made everybody. Oh,
It's Bud Light.
Bud Light.
Just lime.
Oh god.
Lime! Oh god.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god.
It's your idea.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Oh my god.
On the camera, I'd rather do the burpees.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I almost threw up like 3 times.
Are they the same ounces, the cans and the bottles?
Yeah,
12? Wow. Dude, you are pounding them. You are pounding them. Oh my goodness.
brother was here, he palmed a case of Steinlager, but he wouldn't run. In the time that we did 4 laps. Yeah. He's building a Heineken Christmas tree this year. So him and his friends already have 3,000 bottles. They started in January.
Whoa.
The tree's gonna be about 8 feet by.
Oh.
He's gonna build a bottle wall.
Oh my God.
Tree.
He's done already.
Tree.
Oh shit.
Bottle tree. Hey, the beer came out of that one. Penalty. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Oh jeez.
Gotta give him a hard time.
Oh God. You guys think it'd be easier if you guys were just taking shots, like shots of vodka?
Yeah, because this shit's carbonated.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that lime tastes like shit.
Especially now that it's warm.
Oh shit.
Fuck.
I know.
Dude, I didn't finish my beer.
Chris, you're gonna have to tell us your split.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Hopefully I finish this one before you finish that one.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Well, I'll probably be running up this one.
You guys are crazy. So crazy.
Throw up.
Not yet.
It was
Almost.
Oh, should I suffer or should I try a different blend? I gotta go a different blend.
Do it.
Fuck, now my taste buds are all used to that one.
Sesame Street sauce.
Superior drinkability.
We could get sponsored by this.
That would be a good idea, wouldn't it? Chris could do it.
He's wearing his France shirt. Les Pilou! You ready? Careful. You already got 10-second penalty.
Oh God.
I can't believe this is the last lap.
We gotta tank one more.
It's me and you, buddy. Let's do it. Come on. Hurry, because I'm ready. One sip, I'm done.
Let it out. I'll be right behind you. There you go.
Sick.
So you still gotta run that 5th one? Yeah, you'll probably be able to do it now.
You still don't have to drink another one.
Just for fun, I'll run another lap.
Alright.
Hey, you do that. Run the last one for me. Hey, at least you're done.
Huh?
Yeah, man.
You're
take it
done.
home.
Figure it out. Slow down. Back there.
You gotta go to the line.
Oh,
You gotta go to the
yeah.
line. Go to the line.
I fucking went as hard as I could on this backstretch.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Good job.
I'll be there, because fuck, I'm buzzing now.
Okay. We should knock them in the grass. Right now.
Should I run another one? Should I run another lap? But I can catch him.
Oh
I
jeez.
almost caught you, pussy.
Oh my
10
God.
seconds. I won.
I won.
I'm the winner. You had 10-second penalty.
I beat you by 40 seconds.
No, you didn't.
Oh my goodness. Oh God, he's really
Just
moving.
You gotta give him a hard time. He gets so serious about it.
He gets really serious.
Alright, let's me and you do a sprint now for brownie points.
Got one more for
I had
peeking.
6 laps.
Okay.
I beat you.
No, My time was 11:54. You were at 12:35ish. If you had 10 seconds, I still was.
All right.
25 minutes.
Go for it.
When you crossed the line, I was there. No, I wasn't. I was right.
Okay, Winona.
Oh shit.
Wasn't he way behind?
No,
when I
I wasn't.
finished?
She knows.
I don't
He
know.
was 30 seconds
I don't know. We can watch the video after.
That's right. Watch the video.
I'm
You were 40
impartial.
seconds behind. So after the 10-second penalty, that's still
At
30
least
seconds.
you're saying you got 10-second penalty. At least
No, I
we
think
got
it's
that on
legitimate.
tape.
Because the gag reflex caused me to spit out beer. It should be penalized for something.
Oh my god, Mark's booking it. Holy shit.
Oh!
Whoa.
Wait, is
You see
Brian
how
doing-
fast he's running? Good. He's gonna go to puke. Go. Go. Come on. Come on. Run. Run. Run.
Oh my god.
You better run.
Did Brian do an extra lap for some reason?
Yeah, because he puked.
Oh, he did.
Keep it. Keep it.
Oh,
Keep it.
shit.
Keep it.
The race for third. Come on, Brian.
Nice.
Hey, where'd that come from?
All the way to the white line.
You didn't want to be passed.
16, 14.
You got podium,
Good
baby.
job.
Damn, nice sprint, Mark.
I had a good run, dude. I caught you on the last lap. You were dogs.
Caught me?
Uh-oh.
You're so full.
That's good.
We
That
don't
shows
support bringing alcohol on school campuses, especially if you're underage. But if you're gonna do it on a Sunday when no one's here.
And do it while running.
Oh my goodness. Alright. Is that it? You guys have any last words?
Yeah, don't try this at home.
Yeah, Bud Light's better
Oh
than
wait,
Bud
where's my
Lime.
crown?
Yeah.
Oh. The
I didn't want to wear this because it's so stupid, but I won, so.
actually gonna stay on. It's kind of
I'll
windy.
race you backwards.
Backwards? This is gonna fly off. How far? Like 100 meters?
You have to hold it while you're running.
Dude, that's gonna take. Trust me, that's painful. How about 100 meters? That way we don't have to turn. We can just go backwards. I'll beat you.
Let's race to the green carpet, everybody. Flat out sprint race.
Oh man.
Hey, someone say count us off.
Alright, I'll say.
Put your hand down.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god.
Oh, my crown!
I told you to hold it! Jeez, someone's gonna die. Any puking?
Start on me.
It's always something. I reached my max speed in 20 meters. What do you want me to do?
You got the start on this.
I lost my crown, and that's why I slowed down, because I lost my special powers.